Primary 3. I hope we are all doing very well. So remember last week we were looking at sharing out equal numbers into groups and then counting how many groups we had. Well, this week we're going to be continuing on with the theme of division, and we're going to be sharing out items into equal shares so that each group has the same amount of items. So we're going to have a look at the first example, and let's have a look. We have got 3 boys here and we've got 6 counters in the middle, so we've got to share it out equally to each boy. So we take turns, so we would give 1 counter to this boy and then 1 counter to this one and another to this, and then we keep on going round until we have shared out all the items that we need to share out. And then at the end we count to make sure that we have got equal numbers in each group. So I can see I've got 2 here, 2 here and 2 here, so that means we've shared it out equally and there's 2 in each group. Let's have a look at the second example. So in our second example we have got 4 girls and we have got, let's see how many counters we've got. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, so we've got 12. So we need to share out these 12 counters equally to each of these girls. So let's have a go. So we've got 1 for this girl, 1 for there, another 1 for there. Okay, and we're going to speed through this, sharing out. Make sure that you don't miss anybody out or else it won't be an equal share. And then at the end, hopefully we can see that they've all got the same amount. So I can see there's 3 here, 3 here, 3 here also, and 3 here. So we shared it out equally and there's 3 for each girl. To the next example. So this time we have got 2 boys here, and let's see how many counters we've got. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So again we're going to share them out. So we're taking turns and making sure we don't miss anybody out when we're sharing these. So let's have a look. So 1 for there, over there, and 1 for there, and 1 for there. So then we can see that we've got 5 and 5. Okay, so each boy has 5 counters. In our last example we have got 6 boys and this time we have got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 counters. So try and make sure that when you are sharing them out that you're doing it in a pattern so that you're following one from another and you don't miss anyone out. Now make sure that you are doing it one at a time, because if you start sharing them out and say, oh, I'm going to give this person 3, by the time you've shared it out you might have noticed that you don't have enough counters for the boys that are left behind. So make sure you share them one at a time. Okay, so let's do this. We've got 1 for there, 1. Okay, so share them out equally and go in a pattern so that you don't miss out any of the boys. Okay, and then the last one. So here I can see that each boy have got 2 counters and I've shared them out equally because each of them have 2.
Your activity this week, you will have a worksheet where you can cut out the items and share them out so that you can move them, or you can draw a line to share out the items. It's up to you how you do it, but have a go and let us know how you get on.